They don't even want to put their name on this stuff. Look at this. This stuff nearly caught on fire. Burnt my hand. Look at that. Look at these coils, all melted. Look at it, melted, nearly set on fire. No excuse for this. Cheap. It was from one of these little auto parts stores. Maybe dollar store. I don't remember. Should have known. Look, down to the freaking copper. Down to the copper. Be careful out there with these cheap. They could be dollar store. Jeez, look at that. Could have started a fire on my house. I got it over here on the pavement so it wouldn't set fire. Look at that. It's going to have to sit here for a while. There's no telling how hot this is. I pulled it away. Look at this. Just melted. It's a disaster. Could have set everything on fire. Talk about a brush fire, all right. So I want to talk about this cable. Ideally, you want, and I learned something from this. You want a 0,
right there.
1,
even the
2 gauge.
melted.
Those are the best.
So I
0
guess,
being the very best.
Very cheap.
1 being the very next best.
They nearly caught on fire.
2, but as you go down the slope, they get worse. This must be like a 20
now,
gauge.
Admit, they said in the
this
truck,
thing melted on me. It was in a hot truck.
Look at that melted.
So it was already hot. It was warm in that truck.
That's not good.
And then when I hooked it up
all that
to the cables, and I hooked them correctly, I'm sure of that. But they say this can also happen if you cross them the wrong way on your battery terminals.
Who manufactured this?
So this thing burnt me. I didn't really, could have started a fire. I've got the water turned off at my house because of a leak right now. So anyway, I've included some more in here so you can see what's going on. Watch.